Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about investing and looking for a great start? Fidelity is a fantastic choice for many people, offering a wide array of investment options from individual stocks to mutual funds. Their online platform is incredibly user-friendly, making it simple to manage your money from anywhere. Plus, you'll benefit from competitive low fees and powerful research tools, helping you make really informed decisions about your financial future. Before you dive into the application process, it's a good idea to gather a few key pieces of information. You'll definitely need your Social Security number, of course. Also, have your current employment details handy, as Fidelity will ask for that information during the setup. And importantly, make sure you have your bank account and routing numbers ready for when it's time to fund your brand new brokerage account with your initial investment. Once all your information is ready to go, head over to Fidelity's official website to begin. Look for the Open an Account option, which is usually quite prominent, and then select Brokerage from the different account types. The entire process is very straightforward. You'll be guided step by step through filling in all your personal details, employment information, and investment goals. Just take your time and follow each prompt accurately. With your new account established, the next crucial step is to add some funds. The easiest and most common way is to link your existing bank account directly within the Fidelity portal itself. You can then transfer funds electronically, which usually happens very quickly, often within 1 or 2 business days. Many people also find it incredibly helpful to set up recurring deposits, building their investments steadily over time, without even having to think about it each month. Congratulations! After submitting your application and funding your account, you'll typically receive confirmation once your new Fidelity Brokerage account is fully active and ready to go. Now, take some time to explore the platform, familiarize yourself with all the powerful tools, and discover the wealth of educational resources available to you. You are now perfectly set up to start researching investments and planning effectively for your financial future. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.